Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I want to teach you some special words which are used in Urdu. Every sentence can use these words. First of all, I want to write a word which is used in Urdu, especially simple sentences. This word is called hai. It's mean that most we use this word with most things in meaning of are. This word is hai. It's mean that we are using one thing only. This word is called teri. It's mean yours. Next word is this word is meri. It's mean mine. Now listen the next word. Next word is next word is up. It's mean you. Now up up it's mean you. This is used for plural and used for singular is tum. This word is tum. It's used for only one person. This word is hum. It's used for only me. It's used for we, us. This word is main or me. Main is used for me and me is used for in. As we take an example that the water is in the glass. Make uh, if you say in Urdu may, it's mean in. If you say मैं, it's mean me. So next word. This word is in Urdu hamara. It's mean that ours. Next word we are writing tumhara. It's mean that yours. Tumhara. Tumhara means yours. This is used for singular and plural also. Next word is this word is sub. It's mean that all. This word is used in meaning of all. Next word is next word is istimal. It's mean that use of everything is called in Urdu istemal. Next word in Urdu is such. Such, as you think, such is not meaning of as, but such is meaning in Urdu truth. We can use this word for truth. He, as an example, is such ki misal. He speaks truth. Yeah, he speaks always. He speaks truth. The truth is meaning of such in English. Next word is sachai. This word is as such. Its meaning is truthfulness. Yeah, you can say that this word is also belong to truth. This word is peer, and you can also say this word in Urdu pair. Pair meaning foot and peer meaning Monday. The day of day of first day of the week, peer, Monday. And also if you say pair, it's mean foot. Next word is this word is mangal. It's mean that in Urdu, if you say mangal, it's mean that the Tuesday is called mangal in Urdu. Next day name is Budh in Urdu, and Wednesday is called in English. Next day is Jumerat. It's mean Thursday in English. Next day is Juma. We say it in English Friday. Next day name is Hafta in Urdu, and we say it Saturday in English. Next last day is Itwar in Urdu, and we say it in English Sunday. So dear students, we have finished our today's lesson. Next, inshallah, we will meet in next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.